Hello people, so this video is gonna be an advanced tutorial for CAPCUT user, and I would like to show you the way how to cover part of your video in a blur effect and keep several objects on this video to stay clear. So the thing that you have to do, open your CAPCUT application, and then you just need to create the new project, or if you already have one, just open the project. And here I already have the project, but before that I would like to remove the sound so that you will be focused on my tutorial. And here is the video that I have, and I would like to make a blur effect into several parts here. So the thing that we need to do is just go duplicate this clip by click the clip and just slide these features into the left side until you find a duplicate. And after that we need to make this duplicate clip become an overlay by go click this overlay button. And then for the next one, just need to drag this overlay clip so that they will have the same position with the main clip. And after we're done, we just need to go back, and now we need to go into this effect, go click this video effects and just find a blur effect. So I already saved once, and after that you just need to go click checklist button and make sure that you also adjusting the duration of the effect, make it become in the whole video. And you can see here this video is not blurred at all. So actually what you see now is an overlay clip. So this will be help you to keep specific part to be clear. And then for the next thing you need to do is just go back and go click this overlay, click this overlay clip and go slide this features into the left side until you find a mask. And after that you just need to choose how the way you can keep the object on the video become clear. If you want to do a mirror, so there will be a horizontal line appear on your screen, and you just need to adjusting the position of this mask to keep the specific part on your video become clean. You can do this way, and here is the result. So the rest of the video is blurred, but then this specific part is stay clean. So that's the way how to cover part of your video blurred and keeps another become clean. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.